Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to make your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max vibrate on silent mode. To do that, just open Settings, then tap on Accessibility. From here, just tap on Touch, and in this section, you will find the option of vibration. Now just make sure you enable this toggle. After you have enabled vibration on your iPhone, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, just tap on Haptics. Now to enable vibration on silent mode, just select Play in silent mode or Always Play. Now if I select Play in silent mode, the vibration on your iPhone will play in silent mode only. But if I select Always, your iPhone will vibrate always, even on silent mode. Now just select the one which you like. And this is how you can make your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max vibrate on silent mode. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.